Hello, this is Tristan. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for continuing watching my videos. Thank you for the support. And today, just want to discuss something that bothers me for a very long time ago. And I know it's a past tense, long ago. But let me just discuss something that challenged me from time to time. It somehow bothers me. So the point is that let me speak it while I draw something. A long time ago, during back in the mid 1980s, I was in high school, and I have this classmate that he draw good caricature, and I do not draw that way because it was his it was his art style. I often just draw machines, especially airplanes like this one. So while I admire his drawing, and I said that his drawing was very good because I always admire people that who do better than me and would love to learn from them. Because even when I was in grade school, I have this classmate that's draw way ahead. We were in, I was in grade one, but when he draw, he looks like he draw perfectly Voltes 5, Super Friends, Superman. He's very good. His name is Ezekiel, and it was great. But when I was in high school, I had this classmate. Of course, he drew great. He used pencil. He used a Staedtler pencil, and I still do. I use ball pen. Then while I was admiring his work because I said that he draw good, I was surprised that he said that uh, my drawing was ugly. It's not good. So, so like any kid that time that not prepared for respond like that, I even up the game and said that, well, I think your drawing is not also good. And the funny thing is that he somehow kicked me. He kicked me, hit me, something. But the point is a little bit physical. He was not. He was not welcome. He didn't like my response because, but he's the first one who said that I do not draw good. So I didn't. We didn't fight physically for that, but the thing that struck me is that um, was my drawings not enough? Was my skill level the medium that I use because I'm using ball pen? He's using a Staedtler ball pen, uh, pencil. Uh, Pencil has many types of I mean tone. There's an HB, and BB, to darker tones. So when he said that, it really bothers me that my drawing is not good enough. It bothered me for many years. We did it. I didn't hold the grudge on him because sometimes we play basketball, and of course he also play good basketball. Basketball is not my game. Table tennis was, and billiard. But again, it took me. I carried that. I carried that negative thought for many years. Imagine It was in 1985 or 86. And I carry that notion that using ball pen is not good enough for any artist. So in the 90s, I still keep drawing. I still keep draw anything because drawing's uh, it's my hobby. Of course, it's my safe zone. Or then when I was working, it was the year 1990s, 2000s. Uh, I still accept that pencil, paints, watercolors. Those were the type of tools that you need to grow if you want to be serious with this art of drawing. Ball pen is not enough. I keep saying that ball pen is not enough because it, it really I was not drawing at my I'm not drawing at my best. So by the year probably 2010s or before 2010, I found this artist that used ball pen. I think he was featured in BBC because he's a celebrated artist. Forgot the name because I didn't check what his name when I'm making this video. But he was a celebrated artist that draw ball pen, and after seeing an artist who use ball pen, I start gathering who else is using ball pen as their medium. And there are many artists that use ball pen that they also have some art galleries about it. Large ball pen drawings of people, sometimes landscapes. So ball pen is a good medium to draw with. So the part that using ball pen is not enough disappeared in my thoughts. I realized that it's not always the medium that you use, but probably how you perceive it. It is a good medium or not. Uh, Anyone can. It's like my. Just thought of right now. It's like MacGyver, who would in that the concept of MacGyver. If you leave him in a room that there's tools, materials, he could make a device on something. So he could help escape or use it as a tool to combat his the villains on his show. Okay, so and during the I think during a local election here in 2022, I somehow met a artist that is a professional artist that sells art, who draw in wall paints in walls, and also has a rock band. And I asked him this one question that lingers me: am I an artist? So he said that yes, I'm an artist, because that feeling that I'm not good enough prevent me from celebrating what I'm doing. I made drawings. I have made many drawings, but I'm not happy. Although I've forgiven my classmate about what he said, and also during the 1990s, that when I was in college, we met again, and he was inviting me if we could apply to work in, I think it's either Marvel or DC. But I declined it because I'm not good at people. I'm not really good in drawing uh, poses of persons. I could draw a face. I could copy a person, but to think poses, That's not my field of drawing. I'm not good at persons. You could rely me in drawing machines because I could concept. I drawn some robots that I proudly to say that I did it. That also can transform from jets to robots inspired by macros. So I was happy to learn that I was also a artist because when people ask me if I'm an artist, I would say just it's just a hobby, and I'm holding back that probably I'm when people ask me that I'm not happy. But when that person, of course, he we became friends. Sometimes I would ask him. So he said that I'm an artist and I was happy, and that was 4 years ago. You see the emotions that you hold on for so many years, decades, is holding you back, bothering you, and and you're not you're not being your full potential because something is holding you back, that you're not enough. So I hope that some people would uh, have some kindness to everyone, that if they have something not not positive to tell, just shut up. Do not there's no competition. Everyone is in battle, fighting for everyone is having their own battles, and receiving a negative word is not very welcome, especially for your mental health. Because back in the day, no one discussed about mental health, especially here in Asia, because we do not usually go to a psychiatrist to discuss mental problems. No, we did it like we did it like a man. We just endure it, bear with it. We are not we are trained to ignore pain, but of course we are all humans. We cannot escape that there is something that being a burden, a baggage that you carry, and you need to know. So again, since I learned that I was an artist, I was happy for myself. And again, if someone tells you that you're not a good artist, just ignore them. Ignore the noise. Just be control what you can control, and that is your emotions. No, practice and practice. Excel on your field, and always be happy at what you work, because if we are affected by a person's word, because I was easily affected because of course uh, my my father is not with us, separate, my mom and dad separated, and I have no one to talk to about my emotions. Especially it could be a man thing, I would ask my dad, and I have no father figure to tell that, so I just carried it on my own. Imagine I carried that burden very long, and I was glad, and glad someone put a closure on that. Eh, uh, it took a while, but it's okay, because sometimes some people have no closure and end their lives, like say Van Gogh. No one is appreciating his work. No, so he just end his life. And the reason why Van Gogh was popular, because his sister-in-law have a belief that his work is worthwhile. So let us think that we are worth it, and love ourselves, of course. So my favorite quote in closing of this is that from Mel Brooks: "I am a fan of my own work." So thank you very much for listening to my uh, for my words. I'm just drawing Top Gun, and this is from the scene that Maverick said that he was inverted, because the F-14 is my favorite jet to draw. I've been drawing this for a very long time, and this is just a speed work. I know I could draw better for this one. Again, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day, and be free from noise, and stay healthy for our mental health. Thank you very much.